Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can simplify and grow your overhead garage door service business using a platform that makes getting leads, booking jobs, and managing your schedule effortless. Stick around until the end because I have something special for you, a free access offer to this software that can really change the way you run your business. Now, let's talk about the biggest struggles garage door service businesses face: finding clients, managing bookings, and staying on top of everything without feeling overwhelmed, right? That's where this system comes in. It's designed to help you get more clients, keep your schedule organized, and save time with automation. First, let's talk about scheduling. One of the biggest headaches is all the back and forth with customers trying to find a time that works. With this platform, customers can book services online at any time. No more phone tag or double bookings. Your schedule updates automatically, so you can focus on what you do best: repairing and installing garage doors. But it's not just about scheduling. It's about staying connected with your clients. This system lets you send automated appointment reminders, updates, and follow-ups via email and text. That way, your customers never forget about their service appointment and you don't have to chase them down. You can also send out promotions or service updates, making it easy to keep them engaged. And speaking of customer engagement, imagine if you could answer questions instantly without having to pick up the phone every time. With live chat on your website, potential clients can get quick answers about repairs, pricing, and scheduling. That means more conversions and fewer missed opportunities. Now, getting new leads is important, but turning those leads into loyal customers is the real key. This system helps you follow up automatically so you stay on their radar. You can send reminders, special offers, and even request reviews to build trust and keep your business growing. And let's talk about reviews for a second. We all know how important good reviews are. The platform makes it easy to ask happy customers for reviews automatically, whether it's on Google, Facebook, or your website. Plus, you can showcase those reviews to attract more customers without doing any extra work. Another huge time saver is the seamless integration. Your scheduling, payments, and customer database are all connected in one place. No need to juggle multiple systems. Everything flows smoothly so you can focus on your work. And if you want to keep bringing in business, you need to stay proactive. This system helps you reconnect with past clients, remind customers about tune-ups and inspections, and build strong relationships to encourage repeat business. The best part? You don't need any tech skills to set this up. The platform comes with simple step-by-step guides and customizable templates designed specifically for garage door service businesses. Plus, you'll have dedicated support to help you along the way. Now that you've seen what Funnel Freedom can do, let me show you how easy it is to set it up for your overhead garage door service business. You don't need to be a tech expert. Everything is designed to be simple and stress-free. Start by logging into your Funnel Freedom account. Once inside, look for the settings option on the left-hand side. Here, you'll find something called your location ID. Just click the copy button next to it. You'll use this in a moment. Next, choose a pre-built template, or as Funnel Freedom calls it, a snapshot. The garage door service snapshot is specifically designed to help you grow your business. It includes a professional website to showcase your services, email, templates to follow up with clients and confirm bookings, and automated text messages to stay in touch with customers. Once you've picked the snapshot, it's time to connect everything. Funnel Freedom provides an import form where you'll enter your name and email address, paste your location ID, and copy and paste the snapshot ID for the garage door service snapshot. Then click Import, and Funnel Freedom will automatically set up your website, funnels, and automations, all in a matter of seconds. After your setup is ready, you can customize it to match your business. Add your logo, business name, and contact details. Update the service descriptions to highlight your offerings, whether it's garage door repairs, installations, spring replacements, or maintenance services. The email and text message templates are already written for you, but you can adjust them to reflect your unique tone and style. One of the best features of Funnel Freedom is the ability to let your clients schedule a garage door service directly from your website. Your website will include a built-in calendar where customers can choose a time that works for them. Once they've booked, they'll receive an automated confirmation email with all the details. You'll also get notified so you can be ready for the appointment. No more back and forth phone calls, just a smooth automated booking process. Here is one example of a simple website for a garage door service business. It features a clean layout, a section for customer reviews, and a prominent call to action button for booking services. Provides clear service descriptions and includes an automated chat feature to answer common client questions instantly. Once everything looks perfect, just hit publish and you're live. Your website will be ready to attract new clients, and your funnels will handle tasks like follow-ups, appointment reminders, and even collecting customer reviews, all automatically. So if you're ready to take your business to the next level, don't wait. Start your free 14-day trial today and see how much easier it can be to get more clients, manage your time, and grow your business. Click the link below to get started and join other successful garage door service providers who are already seeing results.